Hi everyone, Amy here. I want to talk a little bit about Mother's Day, and Mom deserves the very best. How about a living, lasting gift from Dayton's? Now, it can get rather busy here during Mother's Day week and weekend, so we have extended spring shopping hours. We are open Monday through Saturday, 8:30 a.m. to 8 p.m., and Sunday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So let's check out some things any mom would love. Now, if you can't make it out to shop, but you know your mom loves Dayton's, we do offer gift cards. You can call and place your order and we can send it out to the recipient, or you can also do it on our website. They are available in any denomination and never expire. And if you actually can come out and shop with Mom, maybe have her pick out her own gift and then take a walk through our botanical garden. Now, we hope you have a great Mother's Day, and we'll see you soon at Dayton's.